Acha, mashallah, you are in the field working there. You know better what tactics and what strategy you should evolve to bring them closer to the Jamaat, and what type of, you see, if they are well trained from the very childhood, they know their responsibility when they are tifl, when they are in Itharul Amdiya, and their parents are also active in the Jamaat, then definitely they will also be the very active member of the Waqf scheme. If their parents are lazy and they are inactive, they are not taking part in the Jamaat activities, they are not observing their responsibilities like offering 5-time daily prayers and such type of things, then their children will also follow them. So you ask your Tarbiyat department to do the Tarbiyat of the parents so that they set good example before their children, Waqfin Nau Children and other children, and then in this way that can help you increase the number of the Waqfin Nau who are active in your Jamaat activities.